Yeah, replacing this siding right here. It's all rotten. Okay, finish the whole side. Attacking the plates to hold the wood together. So now what we're gonna do is put on sheetrock. I mean plywood. I think this is a 3/4 plywood, and cover up the whole thing and bring them together. Bring this whole thing together. So I'm gonna pause now. All right, can't show you everything, but you see, putting the blocks down now for this side. This side, you put the blocks in, and I'm gonna screw this up. I can't show y'all everything, but putting it together. We're joining it together now. All right, it's all joined together now. So now we're gonna continue with the floor right here. I'm gonna continue fixing this and keep you up to date on what we're doing. Mobile repair and install. Getting it, bringing it closer.
Hey, ho, ho, ho!